Okay, any more doubts? Ask me. Questions చెప్పే ముందు మీరు డౌట్స్ అడగండి చెప్తానండి ఫస్ట్.
సార్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఫీజు ఆన్లైన్ లోనే పే చేయాలా సార్?
అవునమ్మా.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇంకా
సార్ స్టడీ సెంటర్ లో వాళ్ళే రాసుకోవచ్చా సార్ ఎగ్జామ్స్?
అమ్మా
ఎవరు స్టడీ సెంటర్ లో వాళ్ళకే ఉంటుందా సార్ ఎగ్జామ్?
ఎవరి స్టడీ సెంటర్ లో వాళ్ళకే ఉంటుందండి ఎగ్జామ్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
ఎవరి స్టడీ సెంటర్ లో వాళ్ళకే ఉంటుంది ఎగ్జామ్. Yes. So you asked some questions here. I told just a minute. This is the last class. I'm audible. I'm audible, Andy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let G be a group prove that the following are equivalent. This is already told important question. G is abelian. AB whole square is equal A square B square. AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse B inverse. Already told or not?
Yes, sir.
This is one question for examination point of view.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. PDF I will show you. Just a minute.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ చాలా లో ఉంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
నేను మాట్లాడమే లేదు, మీకు ఎట్లా పడుతుంది? క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఫార్మాట్ చూపించాలని చెప్పి నేను just wait, the screen will be visible to you. Screen is visible.
Okay, sir.
This is 2019 paper. I'm telling H intersection is a subgroup of G. H union is a subgroup of G if and only H subset of K or K subset of H. HK is subgroup of G if and only HK is equal to KH. I already told. Told or not?
Yes, sir.
This is a two group. Fundamental theorem of homomorphism of groups. Rings and groups, I told. Find the basic concept and the statement and the proof. When the
Yes, sir.
concept and action, a group. A non-empty set. Non-empty set means there is any some elements is there. If G is a group, X is a non-empty set, then prove that the correspondence 1-to-1 between all of action G is X and set all the homomorphism group is symmetric group of S of X. Silo groups are silo first and second theorem I told. J and G is a finite group, P is a prime number. So two silo groups and they conjugate to each other number. Define a ring and give example of non-commutative during last class I told. Prove that Z
Yes,
or
sir.
center. Center Z or ring. Ask me. Define prime element, irreducible element, integral domain or last week I told. Two finite fields. P n number elements is isomorphic. This is radicals. I did not told you can study. This is the first question. Here, this is the second page. This is not a clarity. Every group is a prime ideals. And 1, 4, 3, 2, 7 and also 4, 5, 7, 3, 5, 4, 7 is a disjoint ideals. Prove that among the
Sir,
1, 2, 5 is a tri.
Sir, 1 minute. సరిగ్గా కనపడట్లేదు సార్.
ఇది కరెక్ట్ గా స్కాన్ కాలేదు. ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ the permutations. Prove that any group of order under 125. Prove that every Boolean ring is commutative. Prove that the commutative ring or with identity every maximal ideal prime. Prove that every Euclidean domain is principal ideal domain. Yesterday, last week I told in Einstein criterion.
Yes, sir.
Just prove that every finite Einstein is algebraic extension. Let H be a finite subgroup that prove that E H of H. This is also I told.
Yes, sir.
So this is the 2019 paper, and I am now telling the 21 paper. I will write on the screen. Let a group. The following are equivalents. Following are equivalent. G is abelian. AB whole square is equal to A square B square for all. AB belongs to G. AB whole inverse A inverse B inverse for all. AB belongs to G. So state and prove first silo theorem. State and prove first silo theorem. And deduct the Cauchy's theorem. I told or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I put proper ideal M of a commutative ring R with identity maximal ideal. If and only if quotient ring of R by M is a field. I told. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Define a primitive polynomial and prove that the product of the two primitive polynomials primitive. F subset of E is subset of K. Field such that E is a finite separable extension of F and K is finite separable extension.
సార్ స్క్రీన్
Yes,
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
అది అవునవును నేను కనిపించడం లేదు, నేను రాయటం లేదు, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ ఓన్లీ.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
రాయాలా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎస్ సార్.
టిక్ చేసి పెట్టిన వాళ్ళు.
Just a minute.
చేసిన కదా పెన్సిల్ తోనే, అత్తు పెన్సిల్ తో పెట్టిన చాలు. పెట్టమన్నప్పుడు పెడితే బాగుంది, ఆయన చెప్పకుండా పెట్టిన కదా అక్కడ.
Just a minute.
కాదు అవి
మాట్లాడదండి.
దీంట్లో రాసుకుంటారు.
Just a minute అండి.
ఈపీఎఫ్ బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇద్దాం. ఈపీఎఫ్ ఎందుకంటే
Don't
వేరే
speak, please.
బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇస్తేనే వాడు ఏం చెప్పిండు, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ జూన్ లో చేసుకున్నాడు, మరి రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకుని పేమెంట్ ఇట్లా వేసిందని అడగడానికి వస్తుంది. ఇది ఈపీఎఫ్ ఇస్తే దీంట్లో వేసాను కదా నేను అంటారు.
మాట్లాడొద్దండి. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let G be a group. Prove the following equivalent. G is abelian. AB whole is called A square plus B, A square into B square for all AB belongs to G. AB whole inverse A comma B belongs to G. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Tarata state and prove fundamental theorem of homomorphism of rings. State and prove for first silo theorem and deduct the Cauchy's theorem. Prove that M ideal of M commutative ring R with identity maximal ideal. The quotient ring R by M is a field. Find primitive polynomial and prove that the product of primitive polynomials is primitive. Let F subset of E subset of equal to F subset of equal to E subset fields. Finite separable extension F and K is finite separable. Then prove that K is a finite separable extension of K. Am I correct? తర్వాత just a minute. చూపించాము ఒక నిమిషం. So next, second, every group of prime order is cyclic. G to G dash is homomorphism of groups, then prove that kernel F is a normal subgroup of G. A4 is not simple. 125 is non-trivial center. G is a group order P4n such that G contains subgroup. Each order is P1 to Pn minus 1. Non-isomorphic, I told this also. U is an ideal of ring R by U. U plus A belongs to R. U plus every field is an integral domain. Einstein criterion. So G by F is a solvable group. All these two papers, all the questions I solved and I will give. Any doubts? I am asking you only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
These two 36 questions are you will ready? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. I will ask another question.
सर इस पेपर में फर्स्ट पेज पे 6 क्वेश्चन थे 7-8 क्वेश्चन नहीं दिखा सर पेपर में.
ओ दिखा रहा हूँ वही दिखा रहा हूँ वही करने के लिए मैं शेयर करूँ. Let Q is equal to root 1, E is equal to Q 2 power 1 by 4, so that E is normal extension of EF. Is a normal extension. Q is not a normal extension of Q. State and prove fundamental theory of Galois theory. చెప్పినా నా లేదా?
Yes, sir.
చెప్పారు సార్.
The Galois theory.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, చెప్పినారు సార్.
Tell me what is the Galois theory? What is the Galois theory?
Let E be the Galois extension of F. S equal to K is a subfield of E containing F. H is a subgroup of G of E by F.
Then what you have to prove?
G of E by F.
G of E by F.
G of E by F into G of E by K by G of E by K equal to G of K by F.
Very good. Any more? What is the Einstein criterion?
F of x equal to A0 plus A1x and so on ANX. We have to prove F of x is irreducible over rationals. F of x is irreducible over the rationals.
Any more doubts? మిమ్మల్నేనండి అడిగేది.
ఫండమెంటల్ థీరం ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్స్ థీరం రింగ్స్ థీరం కూడా
చదవాలి కదా? డౌట్స్ ఉంటాడు అన్ని క్లారిఫై చేస్తా. నాగేంద్ర
సార్ అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్లు వస్తాయి సార్, డౌట్లు ఇప్పుడు రావు సార్.
అప్పుడు నాకు ఆన్సర్ రావు.
ఇప్పుడు అన్ని వచ్చినట్టు ఉంటాయి సార్.
నాకు అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్స్ రావు, నేను మర్చిపోతా అప్పుడు.
सर ये गैलियो थ्योरी उन्हें खाली गैलियो थ्योरी पूछ रहा ना सर, ये जो ये क्या प्रूफ करना वो सब पूरा स्टेटमेंट सब अपन लिख के बाद में नीचे प्रूफ लिखना है सर?
Yes, exactly.
ओके
Wilson theorem and Fermat theorem also I told last week.
Yes, sir.
They will ask also. They are also Fermat theorem also they will ask.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఇది ఏమైనా డౌట్ అడిగితే చెప్దామని నేను కూర్చున్నానండి. అంటే మీ అందరికి 80/80 వస్తాయి అన్నట్టు.
Sir, prove that any group of order 125 has a non-trivial center. చెప్పారా?
Sure. Very good question asked. Okay. Just a minute. అండి ప్లీజ్ మాట్లాడొద్దు. నాన్ ట్రైవల్ అడిగారు కదా మీరు.
Sir.
చూస్తున్నామ్మా క్వశ్చన్స్ చూస్తున్నాను ఇంకా ఉన్నాయని. జస్ట్ వెయిట్. I think already told this non-tribal.
Sir, అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
చెప్తానమ్మా. Any more doubts apart from that? Apart from that, any doubts? Mr. Verma?
Sir.
Apart from that non-tribal or any doubts?
No, sir.
So all of you get 80/80.
70 నా సార్?
70, sir.
Will try, sir.
70/70.
మీరు ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇస్తే కూడా ఓకే సార్.
అంటే అసైన్మెంట్స్ కూడా కలిపి చెప్పినట్టున్నాను 100
సార్ మీరు ఇప్పుడు చూపించిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అవి గ్రూప్ లో పెడుతున్నారా సార్?
పెడతానండి.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ బాగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పచ్చు కదా సార్?
ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పాను నేను మీ క్లాస్ లో అన్ని.
వాళ్ళ డౌట్ ఏంటంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చి క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పొచ్చు కదా సార్ అని.
అమ్మా వర్మ గారు మీరు బాగానే బుక్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా సార్ దగ్గర.
I don't know that thing of all. Don't ask me that type of things. Only what I told in the online classes and offline classes.
Okay.
You have to study all these things only.
Yes,
Cayley's theorem also very important. I already told. Anyone tell me what about Cayley's theorem? Cayley. What is Cayley?
Every group is isomorphic to subgroup of a group. Every group G is isomorphic to a subgroup of group S of X. With all permutations on X.
Any more?
ఇది కూడా సార్ ఇది కూడా స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇస్తారా లేకపోతే మనమే రాయాలా కేలే థీరం
ఏదమ్మా
కేలే థీరం అనేది అంటే జనరల్ గా ఇది స్టేట్మెంట్ మనమే రాయాలా ఇస్తారా స్టేట్మెంట్
ఇస్తే రాయాల్సిన పని లేదు ఇవ్వకపోతే రాయాలి అర్థమైందా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఎలా వస్తుందో మనకు తెలియదు Is a non-trivial means is a nothing a solution of linear equation. At least one variable of the equation is not equal to 0. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
How will determine? How will determine? G is a non-trivial. G is a non-trivial group. How we can define? Non-trivial means x is equal to 0. The homogeneous is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Non-trivial solution, even only the equation has at least one variable. It is A has column with no pivots. So then we can solve that condition. Then we have to solve by 125. Now understood? Hello?
Hello.
Question again repeats. Question repeats.
Prove that any group of order 125 has a non-trivial set.
Paper. Now just I told na. Okay. Prove that any group of order 125. Prove that any group of order 125 is non-trivial. Prove that any group of order 125. My writing పనిచేయడం లేదు నాది I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will solve. I will give you now. Then after that, then I will let the other. I will share that last. My pad is not writing work properly today. So I will do it and I will send. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Oh, this is my pad is not working properly. Yeah. Now ask me any doubts.
Sir, prove that the group A4 is not simple. Explain చేయరా ఒకసారి. A4 is not simple.
అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు 125 అడిగినావు కదా. హలో ఎవరు అడిగినారు 125?
Sir.
Prove that any group of order 125 is abelian. అంతేనా? హలో హలో.
Yes, sir.
Prove that any group of order 125 is abelian. అదే కదా అడిగింది.
Non-trivial, sir.
Non-trivial center, sir.
Non-trivial. So abelian means you have to take G is equal 5 cube. It is a prime. On a non-trivial, you are asking now. I'm just a minute. Okay, I will check it and I will done it problem and I will send you. Don't worry about it. That one. Any more apart from this? Any doubts?
A4 is not simple, sir. అది కూడా ఒకసారి చూడండి.
ఏంటమ్మా?
Prove that the group A4 is not simple.
You can in the textbook is there. You can check it. Who are asking?
Sir, Divya, sir.
Divya, please check in the textbook. That is their direct question. Okay.
Sir, 3.5.10 లో ఉంది. Sir, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ఎలా వచ్చాయి అనేది.
Just a minute.
3.5.10.
Not A4 అంటే ఎంతమ్మా? A4 అంటే 4 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ కదమ్మా.
Yes, sir.
Modulus అంటే 2. 4 into 3 into 2 అంటే ఎంతమ్మా? 12 కదమ్మా.
Yes, sir.
12 అంటే ఏం
1,
రాసుకోవచ్చు?
2, 3, 4 అవి ఎలా రాయడం?
అమ్మా ఎన్ని రావాలమ్మా? మొత్తం ఎన్ని రావాలి?
12, sir.
One is what అమ్మా? ప్రైమా కాదా?
Yes, sir.
Then we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 numbers. Then again I am writing 1, 3. Then 2, 4. Then I am writing 1, 4, 2, 3. How many numbers?
7.
12. So then is a non-trivial normal subgroup of A4. So therefore hence A4 is not simple. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Who asked the doubt? Who asked the doubt? Please respond.
Okay, sir.
1 is prime, 1, 2, 3, 4. But non-trivial subgroup X is equal to 0, but hence is not a simple group. Simple. That's why we are giving the numbers in the permutation n is equal. And any more? Every Euclidean domain is unique factorization domain. Already I told you.
Yes, sir.
One question I will tell you. I will write the try to my level best. I will try my level best for writing here. Now some working is show that polynomial f of x power 7 10x power 5 plus 15x plus 5 is not solvable radicals over Q. By Einstein criterion. F of x. What is meaning irreducible? So that the polynomial f of x is equal to x power 7 minus 10x power 5 plus 15x plus 5 is not solvable by radicals over Q. It is the question papers is there. I am telling by the Einstein criterion f of x is irreducible by rule the number of positive real roots of f of x, the number of changes of signs f of x is equal to how much we have to write? Why we have to write 2 here? What is the signs plus and minus are not here? Hello?
Sir.
The plus and minus is the two signs. Is it is 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
And the number of negative real roots f of x less than the number of changes of signs f of minus x is equal to how to write here. F of x is equal to minus. Therefore, we are writing here the total number of real roots f of x that is less than or equal to 5. The total 5 the real roots also by the intermediate value theorem that the over 5 real roots are here in the equation. One of the each interval of you have to write minus 4 3 minus 2 1 minus 1 0 1 2 and 3 4. ఎలా వచ్చాయి చెప్తారా? ఎలా వచ్చాయి? ఎలా వచ్చాయండి? From the Gallo theory f of x is 7. So therefore f of x is not 7 ఉన్నది, ఇది x power 7 ఉంది కాబట్టి from the Gallo group from f of x is 7. Therefore f of x not solvable by radicals over Q. Why? Because we are taking only 5. F of x is exactly 2 non-real roots. So therefore it is not radicals of over Q. You have to do all these problems of radicals over Q for the same procedure. Any more? మిమ్మల్ని సార్ అడిగేది.
Sir, total number of real roots f of x is greater than or less than or equal to
f of x
less than or equal to blank.
The number of changes sign of in f of x minus x is equal to 3 కదా?
F of minus x equal to 3.
F of x is less than or equal to the number of changes sign in. ఎంతది? f of minus x is equal to 3 కదా?
Yes, sir. Sir, -1, 0 తర్వాత ఏంటది అర్థం కాదు.
1, 2 and 3, 4.
Okay, sir.
This is also very important question. Any more? Hey, Arey. Here, all of you. Note down. Express the following permutation in S10 as a product of disjoint segment sigma 2, 5. Under note down 2, 5, 7, 3, 6 rows column. Rows low. First row 2, 5, 7, 3, 6. So the 5, 6, 4, 8. Second one. Third one 4, 8, 10, 3. No, Raskunara?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Note down. My pad is not working. That's why I'm telling.
First row, sir.
2, 2, 5. The screen is visible now. 2, 5, 7, 3, 6. First one, first row. I'm typing on the board 5, 6, 4, 8. 4, 8, 10, 3. Then sigma is equal to 2, 4, 7, 3. And tau is equal to 4, 1, 8, 6. Are two permutations in Sn and are two permutations in S8. So therefore compute sigma tau sigma inverse. What is the values? Tell me. All of you doing? చేస్తున్నారా?
Yes, sir.
Make fast. చేశారా?
Yes, sir.
చింటూ
Please.
అరే చింటూ అయిపోయింది నువ్వు డామేజ్ పెట్టుకుంటా
వినబడుతుందా అండి? So sigma is equal to 25736. First you have to write 25736. Then you have to write 5648. Then you have to write 48. Four, 8, 10, 3. This is the one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with a gap. Then it is will become 1, 5, 8, 7, 2, 4, 3, 10, 9, 6. Then immediately this is goes to 2, 5, and with the brackets 3, 8, 9, 10, 6, 4, 7. This is the sigma. This is the sigma. Then sigma T inverse. Then we are writing here 2, 4, 7, 3. The space bar 4, 1, 8, 6 space bar. Then 3, 7, 4, 2. Then this is the one, and we are writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then immediately we can write from the composition of the everyone 2 to 4. That is a 1, 2, 3. That is a, we will do that 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 6. This will may become, this is out, the output is 1, 8, 6, 7. This is output for the express the following permutation. All of you understood? Hello? I am audible?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
బ్రాకెట్స్ పెట్టలేదు, బ్రాకెట్స్ పెట్టుకోండి. నిప్పు పని చేయడం లేదు కాబట్టి నేను కీబోర్డ్ వాడి మీకు చెప్పాల్సి వస్తుంది. What is the principal ideal domain? What is the PID, principal ideal domain? Gallo theory, again I am telling you, all of you listen here. Let E be a Gallo theory, Gallo extension of F. It is a K by subset of E of the containing of F. There is S by is the subgroup of G by F and but the extension of algebraic area. Existing of a bijection. What is a bijection means? Tell me.
1, 1 and onto.
Therefore, phi of S to T, phi of K is equal to G by K. It satisfies the property that K1 subset of K2 is different only. There is a phi of K2 first condition. This is a statement. K is a normal extension of F is different only. Phi of K is a normal subgroup. What is a normal subgroup? What is the meaning of normal subgroup? What is a subgroup? Exams you are thinking in the July 1st week. You did not know for the normal subgroup.
Sir, X and X inverse belong to N. So subgroup.
What is that is a normal subgroup?
So X N X inverse belong to N. Formula.
Which formula?
सब ग्रुप का डेफिनेशन में वो है सर. ये कंडीशन को अगर उन्हें सेटिस्फाई करता तो उन्हें सब ग्रुप रहता.
Normal subgroup of a group is a subgroup of agrees with the similarity of transformation of the arbitrary elements of the given group or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Why any give the example for normal subgroup? Just a minute. I will found that my just a minute.
Size बोलो
stop the sharing just a minute. Normal subgroup, see here, all of you. You told that is the correct. What is a PID? What is a principal ideal domain?
An integral domain which every idea.
What is a UID? What is the full form of UID?
Uniform integral domain.
Tell me. Uniform?
Integral domain.
Uniform integral domain. What is the definition? You have to study all these things, what I am telling. A field F is called a prime field if it has no proper subfield. So this is the one another. A field F is called as a prime field. So therefore subintersection of non-empty we are taking here, family non-empty family of subsets, non-empty family of subfields. Therefore, the F, we get that the given field F, the intersection of all subfields F becomes a prime field, which is a subfield of F. We can take that. This is the definition also you can study from the prime fields and existence of prime fields you have to study. I will tell you one theorem. Finite separable, I will tell you. Just a minute. This is a theorem. Every finite separable extension of a field F is a simple extension of F. This is also 1-2 times asked. Let the proof I am telling here. Let capital E be a finite separable. What is a separable means? Separable one means
Dividing.
Separable extension of a field F field F. So by the We can assume that f is equal. We can assume that f is on infinite. Therefore, that is a field. Therefore, infinite, that is a, we can write here field. To prove the theorem, we have to prove the theorem. We first, the alpha beta belongs to f. Alpha beta belongs to f. There exists. We have to take here gamma belongs to E. So therefore, f of alpha comma beta, we can write here. This is f of gamma. Alpha beta is belongs to f. Therefore, gamma belongs to E. Then we can write f of alpha beta is equal to f of gamma. We can write it. Suppose alpha beta gamma belongs to E. We can take here. Then alpha and beta are algebraic over f. Algebraic over f. We can take. So let f of x and g of x, the minimal polynomials of alpha and beta. Therefore, respectively, we can take it alpha is equal to alpha 1 comma alpha 2 and so on alpha n be the roots of f of x. In splitting, why we are splitting the field here? So therefore, by the hypothetically we are right here alpha i's. Alpha i's is the distinct and alpha and the distinct is different of beta j. So therefore, we can write here x I j. We can write here alpha I minus alpha beta minus beta j. Reversible we have to write here. So therefore, 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n. 2 less than or equal to j less than or equal to m. We can write it or not? We can choose here. You can choose here 0 not equal to a belongs to f. So such that a not equal to lambda ij for all I comma j we have to writing here. So possible of every r is a finite. So therefore not possible, it is a finite we are writing. If alpha I minus alpha beta minus beta j is not possible for alpha. Why? Because the cross multiplication alpha beta and alpha beta j is not equal to alpha I minus alpha. The two values both are not same. For all 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n and 2 less than or equal to j less than or equal to m. So therefore gamma is equal to alpha plus a beta. Therefore in the clearly we know that f of gamma subset of f of alpha gamma beta. Earlier we learned that. Therefore put it. You can hear. H of x is equal to f of gamma minus ax belongs to f of gamma of x. We can write it or not? From the above one gamma f x. Therefore h beta f of gamma a beta is equal to f of alpha is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. From the above theorem also we have to do. Also we have to do here. Two less than or equal to j less than or equal to m. I am taking alpha beta j minus f of gamma alpha beta j is equal to 0 or not equal to 0?
Not equal to 0.
To 0 is equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Why? Because gamma minus a beta j not equal to 0 alpha I for all I and alpha 1 and alpha 2 and so on alpha n. The roots of the f of x, therefore x minus beta is the common factor of g of x and h of x in f of gamma in x. Now b is algebraic over f and n. Now beta is algebraic over f and hence f of gamma we can take here. So therefore let p of x belongs to f of gamma x is the minimal polynomial the minimal polynomial of beta over f of gamma, then T of x divides G of x, you can write here. So therefore, T of x divides here h of x, which implies that f of T of x divides x minus beta. We can write T of x is equal to x minus beta. We can write it or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, there is a divergence. It's the T of x. The T of x is a degree is greater than 1. It is a monic, and there is a monic. Then beta belongs to f of gamma. Alpha beta belongs to f of gamma. We can write here. So therefore, alpha is equal to gamma minus alpha beta f of gamma. So also we can take the beta belongs to also f of gamma. We can write. So therefore, already the two conditions we have proved f of gamma is equal to f of alpha gamma beta from these above conditions or not?
Yes, sir.
E is equal to, therefore E is equal to f of a1 comma a2 comma and so on n. So then by the using of induction on n, we can prove that E alpha is for some for gamma belongs to E. This is the theorem for every finite separable extension. Any more doubts? Ask me for this theorem. Any more doubts?
No, sir.
सर इसका पेज नंबर क्या है?
पेज नंबर क्या है?
190.
190.
190.
Okay.
And you have to check. Any more? So what I told in the last this up to these 7-8 classes, almost I covered entire syllabus. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Practice all these things.
Yes, sir.
Practice what I told. Main I told the Gallo theory, integral domain, particular integral, UID, and every field is an integral domain, and the abelian groups, subgroups. You have to practice, then only you will get good marks. Any clarifications you can ask, I will clarify. I did not go to new syllabus. Almost, I think, covered total 90%. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
You have to ask any more doubts, except that is 125. I will do it and I will solve. I will tell you. So, any more doubts, ask me. Yes? No doubts? If you know doubts, I will leave.
Sir, I'm saying every Euclid domain is a unifactorization rule.
Every? Ask me. Ask me.
Adi question.
Every field is an integral domain. Last week I told.
Every field is integral. Okay.
Every field is an integral domain.
Sir?
Tell me. Yes, see here. R is an integral domain, so therefore Rx is an integral domain, is also domain. కనబడటం లేదు. I will share the screen. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Now see. కనబడుతుందా?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Any more? Any more doubts? Afroz, Rajeshwari.
Sir, no, sir.
No, sir. Thank you.
Rajeshwari, no
సార్
doubt.
అది నోట్స్
sir.
పంపిస్తానన్నారు కదా సార్.
Tell me.
నోట్స్ ఇస్తానన్నారు కదా సార్ లాస్ట్ లో మీరు చెప్పింది.
నేను గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేసేస్తానమ్మా హైదరాబాద్ సెంటర్ వాళ్ళకి. వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి తీసుకోవచ్చు మీరు.
ఓకే సార్.
वर्मा
सर ये हमारे ग्रुप में शेयर करो ना सर, वहां से कैसे लेना सर?
जस्ट ए मिनट,
ये ग्रुप में शेयर करो ना
जस्ट ए मिनट. I'm giving my number in chat box. My WhatsApp number. Give me the hi, then I will send you. Okay. My number given. You can note it and give me the message.
Okay, sir.
Any more?
హలో
వర్మ
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
పర్సనల్ గా షేర్ చేస్తాను, నువ్వు మీ గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేసుకో.
సార్ ఓకే సార్, షేర్ చేస్తాను.
So thank you one and all for your main examinations. There is
Okay.
today.
Okay, sir.
All
ఓకే
the
సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
all the best you are for
థ్యాంక్ యూ
main.
సార్.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Sir,
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you very much, sir.
ఓకే సార్, బాయ్.
Bye.
sir.
Tell me.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Right. All of you understood?
Remaining
Yes, sir.
subjects को like
Okay.
question paper भी.
Trying sir.
Okay, sir.
రాజేశ్వరి, రాజేశ్వరి. హలో,
చెప్పండి.
ఎగ్జామ్స్ మళ్ళీ 4th నుంచేనా?
మీరు మాట్లాడొద్దండి,
దీంట్లో వద్దు అన్నారు కదా సార్,
సారీ సార్.
వేరే దాంట్లో. రైట్.
Okay.
అది పిన్ కొంచెం తిప్పుతున్నా ఇది ఒట్టుకుంటున్నా
Okay.
ఇంకంతకంటే తిప్పడం వస్తుందన్నా.
కదా
దీన్ని క్లీన్ చేసుకో ఫస్ట్ పోటు.
చేస్తారు. ఫస్ట్ బట్ట పెట్టుకోవడం వాళ్ళు మంచిది.
వస్తుంది కదా నీకునే.
వస్తుంది కదా, ఇంటి దగ్గర రాలేదు నేను. ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఓకే బాగా పడుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Ramya. Ramya.
बोलो सर आवाज नहीं सुन रहा है मैं
Preparing for exam.
क्या
Exams preparation is started.
नहीं किया अभी नहीं शुरू किया मैं
I have started algebra differential equation.
I started already.
Yeah. Yes, I have started.
Okay.
Daily some problems. I'm doing practice. Practice is must.
Yes. सबको सुनाई दे रहा है ना कॉल करो मुझे बाद में
Daily 5 days we have exams.
बोलो
Yes, 5 days. We have exams from 11 to 16, 2 o'clock to 5 p.m.
यस मुझे करो सर मैंने काम बात करेंगे
Your voice is not audible, Ramya. I'll chat you separately.
Okay.